Yeah. Oh yeah, I see there. All right, and let's check out inside, everyone. Yeah, right here you can get the whole living room right here, and this room has a two-bedroom, right? I mean, this apartment has a two-bedroom, right? Yeah, it has two bedrooms with a full kitchen. That's an awesome kitchen right here. Yeah, lots of stuff here that you can see. Yeah, it's dining area. Yeah, it's classics, but it's very nice, very beautiful. And let's check out the. Okay, let's check out right here for a little bit. Actually, right here is a freezer, water. Yeah, kitchen area. Yeah, with this, let's check out the bedroom. Okay. See, we get the whole, yeah, this whole building for ourselves. Okay, this is the first bedroom. Oh, that is so awesome. No light right here, no light. Okay, but it's brightness. Yeah, right here. This is good. Yeah, two bed here. Yeah, look like a king bed right here on this side and right here, and you have one. Yeah, baby bed right here. Let's check out the view from here together. There is the view. And you also can get the small balcony here. That's awesome. That's nice. Okay, let's go check out another room. Yeah, it's AC here, guys. Don't worry, it's hot in Puerto Vallarta. Yeah, especially now in this season, it's very hot. Oh wow, look at this. Yeah, it's a um, closet. Yeah, big closets here, and you walk through here, which is the bathroom. Actually, oh yeah, come to here, the first or maybe first or shared bathroom. I don't know. Yeah, let's figure it out. And this is maybe this is the another door can go to. Whoa. Ah, they have another small bunk bed here. What? Seriously? And closet here. Wow, this is amazing, guys. If you have like the whole family or something. Yeah, it's just Brian and me. So here, what is this? Oh, perfect. Yeah, washing machine. We can wash here. That is cool. All right, this is the second bedroom, yeah, for us. Wow. That is awesome. And as you guys can see, here is also the closets here. Yeah, wow. And AC, definitely. Okay, check out the view on this side. It's not much on this side actually. It's just like a giant building. I mean, not giant. It's another building is on construction. However, you can see the view of the mountain from this room. Okay, that's good. Okay, guys. I am not sure with the price. I will have to check with Brian how much exactly is. I think it's more than $100 per night. Yeah. How much do you pay for this whole units? 951 divided by 7. That's include tax or fee or something, right?
Yeah. So
Okay.
it's like 120 a day.
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. Just like, yeah, you hear Brian said this apartment is 900.
951, so that's 135.
Yeah, 135 per day. Yeah. Something you would know about this Puerto Vallarta, they do have like after tax you will have to pay for cleaning service and another service, yeah, on top of the price that they post online, which is like, you know, for some part like the old Airbnb that we stay at, it was like $80 something, yeah, before tax. But after we include tax and service and everything, yeah, it goes up to like 100 something per night. Alright guys, this is it about this Airbnb. And yeah, again, check out the view in the back right over here, yeah, with the pool. Yeah, okay, this is it. I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, I will show you guys more with another place that we are going to stay, because we're gonna stay here for just 1 week, and then we still have another 3 days, actually 4 more days in Puerto Vallarta, and then we're gonna share with you more so you can decide if you ever come into Puerto Vallarta. All right, thank you guys, bye bye.